get that down, cut your excess, bulb's still off. You need to be real careful in making sure you don't cut your Schwintek control wire. Then you lift this up like this, bring your motor wire up. It gets tucked up there in that notch. Got a little notch in the middle. That's where you're going to tuck the wire at. Just tuck it up there. And out of sight and protected. And down here on the bottom, put this side that your water tied down with. This wire's got to be hit too. So now what you're going to do is take this wire, fold it down, really sharp like that, and then take it and stick it up inside of this bulb shell, like a D shape, so it just tuck right up in there. Now it's nice and tight and protected. So then what you're going to do is grab your inside mounting brackets, top mounting bracket, bottom mounting bracket, and this tooth right here on this bracket goes along the Schwintek, so it should line up just like that. And now I always take and get a screw in this bottom bracket side, get it started. Once I get it started, I tuck my trim. Behind it. And then you just fasten it the rest of the way. Top bracket's a little different. It's got 3 holes, real low. That side gets mounted to the Schwintek. Side's got the big hole spacing, gets mounted to the unit wall, and that's because if you try to put any screws up higher than them 3, you'll start hitting gears and possibly the motor. And then you'll have to replace that, and these are about $400 or $500 a set, so you don't want to be doing that. So I'm going to get this top bracket secured, and I'll be right back. And so that's what the inside looks like once it's secured and mounted from the inside. That's it. Now it's ready to put the fascia and trim and everything on and start putting the furniture and everything. Hope you enjoy. Stay tuned for more of my RV series.